In this video we will create some arrows and the titles for the 4 boxes. In the first step we will mark our chart and copy it, go to an empty sheet. Here we will fill our chart. Then if you go here to the left top, press the Alt key, and then with the left mouse key you can pull it here to the corner of the different cell. So we'll do it here at left at the top and right at the bottom. Press the Alt key and then the left mouse key, and it will close with the different cells. Then mark the inside chart, make it a little bit smaller, and then we will work with the arrow keys. So mark a free cell and then go here with the arrow keys to the left, and you don't see the marked cell, so we click on our chart, make a double click, and here at chart options at the bottom at fill we will use no fill. And if we work with our arrows, then you can see here our marked cell. So we will match some cells. Then we will use delta gross margin for this first step. Then mark the cells here at the vertical line, match and center. Then we will write scoring points, mark the cell, and then press the combination Ctrl and 1. And then here in alignment you can change the text. If you have the text here with 90 degrees, you have the scoring points here right down with 90 degrees. And then OK. Then we will go to the top of the right box, match and center some cells. Then we will write stars, make them bold. Go down to the right bottom box, we will match and center some cells and write cash cows, make them bold. We will mark some cells, match and center it, write poor dogs, make it bold, and center it to the left, and at the top of the left box mark some cell, match and center it, and we will use a question mark. That one, make it a little bit bigger and bold. Then we go to Insert, Illustrations, then Shapes, and we will use an arrow. And if you press the Alt key, we have a pretty good horizontal line. Then mark the arrow, press the combination Ctrl 1, and then on line, solid line, we will use a black color. We will mark the arrow, copy it and fill it in here. Press the Alt key, and we will create a vertical arrow, and we will put it here to the vertical line of the scoring points. And now we have a portfolio chart.